Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In this section, we will come across hands-on basic understanding of Termux. This section is very important in learning and understanding the usage of Termux. As we all know that if we have a base strong, then only we can make the skyscrapers, right? So without a further ado, let's begin. Till now, we know that Termux is an Android terminal emulator and Linux environment app that works directly with no routing or setup required. A minimum base system is installed automatically and additional packages are available using apt package manager. Learning the usage of Termux won't take a long time, and depending on your interest, within 4-5 days you'll be able to work perfectly with Termux. Now, a few things to remember: a lot of us will be facing errors, and the main reason will be spelling errors. So make sure you type the command perfectly. Now, the minimum requirements. At least you should have a Lollipop version in your Android device for better performance. Let's open Google Play Store and search Termux and install. Make sure you're downloading the correct application. Once it is installed, open Termux in your Android device. You'll see the interface. Make sure your internet connection is on.